Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of garlic bread, a classic and delicious side dish that's perfect for any meal. So, let's get started. Garlic bread is a simple yet delectable dish that can be made in a variety of ways. One of the most popular methods is to use a loaf of Italian bread, but you can also use French bread or even sourdough. The key is to choose a bread that's not too soft or too hard, as it needs to be able to hold up to the garlic mixture. Now, let's talk about the garlic mixture. You can use fresh garlic, but I prefer to use garlic powder because it's more consistent and doesn't burn as easily. I also like to add a bit of salt and pepper to the mixture, as well as a touch of olive oil to help it spread more easily. Once you've mixed up your garlic mixture, it's time to spread it on your bread. I like to use a pastry brush for this, as it helps to distribute the mixture evenly and prevents it from clumping. Now, let's talk about baking time. I've found that 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit is the perfect amount of time to get the bread nice and toasty, but not too toasted. You want to make sure that the bread is still soft and fluffy, not hard and crunchy. And there you have it, garlic bread, made simple and delicious. This dish is perfect for any meal, and it's a great way to add a little extra flavor to your meal. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this garlic bread tutorial and that you'll give it a try at home. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!